Hello and welcome back to a brand new Meguiars UK YouTube video. If you're like me, you spend hours and hours making sure the outside of your car looks incredible and is well protected. But what about that area of the car you spend the most time in? The interior. So in this video, we're going to show you how to clean, refresh and protect your interior. So just like detailing the exterior, we're going to evaluate the surfaces. So we can see there's a lot of loose contaminants on the carpets, the seats and the dash, so it's going to need a deep clean. But also we can tell that the owner of this car is a smoker. So we have a few processes that are going to deodorize this car. So first of all, we used our carpet and interior cleaner to deodorize, remove stains and give the carpet, seats and seat belts a nice clean. So for quick and effective cleaning on the plastics, we used our heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner. This is going to give your plastic areas a deep clean without leaving any kind of shine. So now we're going to delve into the real grimy bits, which are the center console. Now these can contain ash, food and just all round nasty grimy bits. So we're going to be using the professional strength of our multi-purpose cleaner along with our dash and trim brush and some nice microfiber towels to shift, remove and refine. I hate interiors. So we're now moving on to the top half of the interior, so it's the dash and the screen area. As you can see, we have a lot of dust and debris on the dash, but we also have a lot of fingerprints on the screen. So we're going to be using our quick interior detailer to gently clean these surfaces without leaving any kind of finish. Now the dash is nice and clean, we want to provide some UV protection. That's why we're going to use our new Car Scent Protectant. This is nice and easy to use, it's going to give you that UV protection, fresh smell and a nice factory finish. If you do find that after you've applied the product the dash looks a bit shiny, that's not a problem, just use a fresh clean microfiber towel to buff off the excess. So with the seats and the carpet now clean, we want to permanently remove any lingering odours using our carpet and fabric refresher. So the mats have seen a fair bit of action. This is why we're going to be using our carpet and upholstery cleaner to utilise the foaming properties to drag out that dirt and grime and agitate with the brush. So once applied, we're going to leave this foam to penetrate the mat for 15 to 30 seconds, then we're going to agitate with a brush, then wipe away with a towel. So before we crack on with the rest of the interior, let's recap on what we've done and why. So first of all, we used our carpet and interior cleaner and our heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner to really give those carpets and plastic areas that deep clean. We then moved on to the dash area using our quick interior detailer to clean without leaving a finish. And then to give that dash that UV protection, we used our new Car Scent Protectant. It's going to give you a nice factory finish and a fresh smell in the car. Moving on to the mats, we used our carpet and upholstery foam cleaner. This gives it a deep clean because these mats do get the worst of the brunt, because obviously you're going to be getting in and out of the car with your dirty shoes. And then to remove those stubborn odours, we used our carpet and fabric refresher. So let's get back to it before we show you those final touches. So we're now at the finishing touches with the interior, so we're going to make sure the inside of the glass is super clean. So we're going to be using our glass towel along with our perfect coated glass cleaner to remove any fingerprints or marks. Now, like all our interior products, we advise spraying it directly to the towel to reduce that mess. So we're pretty much at the finishing line of this interior detail, so we're going to get the car outside and use our whole car air refresher to give some freshness and deodorize that AC system. So we're going to set the AC to recirculation. We're going to go full fan for full power, but we're also going to take it to the lowest temperature. Shake the can, place in the center of the car, typically between the front and the back seats, then trigger, then close the doors and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. And there we have it, quick and easy steps to clean, refresh and protect your interior. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and tap that notification bell to be notified of when the next Meguiars video is released.